What is ADWLauncher EX? It's a home screen app intended to replace the current launcher on your device. There are two ways to access the application. One is by looking in your current app drawer and finding the icon. The other is by pressing the home key on your device and selecting the launcher. If you want to make this option permanent, click the default button at the bottom. Let's look at what's available to us right now. We have an action bar at the bottom and icons on the desktop, as well as a search widget. If we slide our finger up over the action buttons, the hidden dock bar will appear. Icons can be moved to this area and then removed, as simple as that. The same goes with the action bar. We can easily drag an icon onto it for placement. Currently, the launcher has 5 screens at default. If you wish to add or subtract screens, you would want to go into the Edit settings. It's as simple as pushing a few buttons. We can be down to 3 screens and set a new default. Any item on your home screen can be easily edited with a simple long press. This will pop up an on-screen dialog. As you can see, our current options are remove, edit, and uninstall. If you wanted to change an icon, you would click edit, which will pop up the dialog. This would allow you to press the icon and then change it using a picture from your gallery or from an icon pack. The same can also be done for folders. If we add a new folder onto our device and long press, with the edit screen, change the name and the icon. Still a folder, but now we've edited it. If you don't want to use the remove right there, you can also drag an item to the trash can and delete it that way. Let's add a new widget onto our screen and purposely make it smaller. Now that still looks good, but let's say I want it to go across the entire width of the device. By pressing edit, I can simply adjust the size and move on. Now let's see how we can configure the launcher. Our current dock has 3 icons. It has the ability, though, to hold more. And what about the app drawer? It's currently scrolling from side to side. What if we want to change these things? Let's go into ADW settings, UI settings, and first let's look at the main dock. We have the option to remove it entirely, keep the 3 icons, go to 5 icons, or use 1 icon. And what about the drawer? Currently it's horizontal old. Let's try vertical 4D. As you can see, the dock now shows 1 action bar. And the drawer? Whoa, that's fancy. Another feature of ADWLauncher EX is the ability to quickly swap between a few configuration presets. Let's check those options. As you can see, there's a few choices. I like this one, it's fruity. As you can see, with 1 press, we've adjusted it so that now our icons have a cool background behind them. Our dock now has 5 buttons and the background was removed. Even the animation between the screens has been altered. What we've shown you is just a few of the basic adjustments that can be made. There's so many more options like transitions, gestures, behavior, and how the icons look. go into icon size and increase it. Do you want to hide the desktop indicator? Do you want to change what happens when you swipe up? Or changing your home button binding to go directly to your default desktop? Another feature of ADWLauncher is built-in theme support. And with over 150 themes on the market, there's plenty of choice. Download ADWLauncher EX and give it a try. You won't regret it.